No be say we don't know you. Say now you hold that guy. Now you hold my guy. You hear me? Now you hold VeryDarkMan. Seyi Tinubu, better release that man. Seyi Tinubu, release VeryDarkMan. We're gonna tell you now. Because we go change that for you. You don't go like that.
Release that for us. Release that for us. We know. Release that for us.
I say we know.
We know everything.
Our country, hear the cry. Free VDM for us. He is
the voice of the voiceless. Free him for us. Free him. We don't want our generation to suffer. He is our new Messiah. Free him for us. We don't want our children to suffer. He has a better message for us. He wants to make Nigeria a better place for us. Free him for us. Duty is supposed to be blamed, not him. Free him, EFCC. His mother is crying. Free him for us. We mothers, we are crying. Free him for us.
He has been there since on Friday. They should free him and let him go. We want him to be freed. Thank you very much.
We know they play for you. Free VDM. Free innocent man. The man that fought for justice.
No. Free VDM. We want justice. Free VDM. We want justice. Take my landlady, give us back VDM. Please, we want justice. Free VDM. Nothing more. Nothing less. Please. Thank you.